Celebrity Family Feud, everybody. We got a good one today. Leonard family, 90. Brodus family got 48. Give me Cordell. Give me Jarrell. All right, fellas, here we go. Point values are double. We got the top 7 answers on the board. Where were you the last time you let out an ear-piercing scream?
Roller coaster.
On a roller coaster. They're gonna play. There you go, baby. Come on, baby. Ray Jr., where were you last time you let out an ear-piercing scream?
Movie theater.
Really?
Scary movie.
Just in there, just hollering.
Just holler.
Man, Ray Jr., Sugar Ray, boy, just in the movie, just screaming. Ooh, that ain't a good look. That is not a good look. Sugar Ray's boy in the movie screaming. Hey, Marty, where were you the last time you let out an ear-piercing scream?
The dentist.
Oh, yeah. That's a good answer. The dentist.
Okay.
Come on, Pop. Come on, y'all.
Sugar, where were you the last time you let out an ear-piercing scream?
In the bed.